Mm.
Yeah, all the hard work that I put in, I'ma make sure that it pay off. On the clock working like all day, baby I ain't taking no days off. Always felt like a misfit, so it makes sense when I straight off. Made me a plan, it took discipline, I took me a chance and I took off. Play weak when you strong in all the war. Gotta bet on yourself if you want more. All this hustle, what a nigga need luck for. I'ma shine for them nights that I hurt for. Just to ride this wave, need a surfboard. I'ma kill 'em with success cause it hurt more. If you got it out the mud then it's worth more. Chasing bags at the state like I'm on tour. See that money train coming and I'm on board. Had to make it through the rain when it starts storming.
This is what we got by the time I cleaned everything up. So I'm about to wash these again, well, run water over them, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I cook them. Once those cook down a little bit, then you want to add the green beans. Move that around a bit. fish I got. So good.
Good job, bitch. You doing a good job.
We got the salmon, the sticky rice. It's just got a little bit of olive oil and pepper in there. And our green beans and Brussels sprouts. Now I'm about to make these into meals, and I'm gonna see y'all in a second. Alright, y'all, let's see what it tastes like. I need some sriracha on mine now. Shake it up. Delicious. This salmon just sets it off. The salmon is so good. It's super soft, but crispy on the outside. I'm trying to get the perfect bite. Check me out.
Good job, bitch. You doing a good job. Take that laundry. That dish. Take a break.
That's how you meal prep. Alright, I'm gonna finish eating this. I'm gonna see y'all later. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, please, and share. Peace.